Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 15. Native Chatter. That place was actually really good. I had been curious about it. I kind of want to go again. Same here. Isn't it literally so hot today? It is seriously bad. Summer is basically here. Pretty much. I literally could not sleep last night. What time did you fall asleep? Around 3. That is rough. How was that movie? It was actually better than I expected. Didn't it make you cry? I kind of cried. Have you been busy lately? Pretty busy, honestly. Are you getting enough rest? Somehow. Isn't that outfit cute? Thanks. Where did you get it? Online, actually. What did you eat today? I had ramen. Ramen again? Yeah, pretty much. Aren't you tired right now? I am honestly exhausted. I just want to go home. I know, right? I am literally obsessed with that song lately. Do you listen to it all the time? Pretty much every day. I totally get that. You have to wake up early tomorrow, right? Yeah, actually. You are definitely going to be sleepy. Probably. Wasn't it super crowded today? Everywhere was packed. Maybe because it is the weekend? Probably. Have you been exercising lately? Just a little. It is impressive you kept going. Not really. Did you watch that video? Of course. Wasn't it actually hilarious? I seriously laughed so hard. Don't you look sleepy today? I stayed up late yesterday. Again? Yep, again. What were you thinking about just now? Honestly, nothing. I was just zoning out. Happens to me too. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.